Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you all review of this chia seed kit from the Face Shop. I really wanted to try this chia seed range, but it is very costly, the individual packet the Face Shop wants, so I thought of buying this travel size kit first, and then what I'll order like what suits my skin more. So the cost of this is 649 rupees, but I got it for 519 and I got it from Myntra. It is available on Nykaa. It is also available on Purple, I think, and Flipkart. Amazon I didn't check. But yeah, all these sites it's available on Myntra. There was offer going on, so I got it for 519. On the box, it is all the information is given of the product, like what are the different kinds of product and what are the ingredients that are present in it. The packaging of this is really very nice, even for like gifting purpose. It's really amazing. So you get set of 3 in this. That is chia seed hydro lotion, then you get chia seed hydro toner, and you get chia seed hydro cream. Now I had got this back in June or somewhere, so since then I'm trying this. This is the chia seed hydro cream. This is lotion, I guess, and the other one will be toner. So one is lotion, one is toner in this type of box, like bottles. So now let's start with this chia seed hydro toner. This toner is very good for dry skin. What they have said, it refreshes, plumps and moisturizes your skin. It is 32 ml pack. The bigger bottle cost you a lot, so I thought of trying out this, and trust me, I really like this toner. It's the best among all 3 products. It's really moisturizing. It comes in this packaging on top, covering like, but it's really nice. Now they have not mentioned, actually it actually moisturizes your skin, that they have mentioned, but while I was using this toner, the toner and lotion, I used to use it together. So when I was using it, it even helped me to reduce the dark circles under my eyes. I don't know, this is my personal experience, but yeah, it's really nice and I really like the toner. If one thing I have to buy again, I have to purchase for the bigger version, then I'll be going for toner. This is how much I liked it. It's really nice, very hydrating. Like it doesn't keep your skin dry. This is how the consistency is. It's like watery consistency, but it's amazing. If you all have dry skin, you all should definitely go for that one. It's really nice and the quantity is up till top. As I said, it is 32 ml. Then after toner, I have this lotion. Actually, I should have used toner and cream together because lotion is also quite hydrating compared to the cream. But I used the toner and lotion together, but it gave me very nice effect. I don't know because of what my under eye was becoming lighter, but it was really giving nice effect. Even the skin was glowing, so maybe the combination of two, or just the toner or just the lotion, but it was really nice. This is a bit of thickened consistency, as you all can see, and again that is 32 ml. This also envelops the dry skin, moisturizes and nourishes. You have to apply it after applying toner, they have said. So I used it in that way, and I kept cream for the last. So this is the cream, which is also very nice. Actually, I wanted to try out this cream, and because of that I had got this, actually the pack. But I ended up liking the toner more than the cream because the cream didn't show me any effect, kind of. It was not bad, not good also for my skin. So yeah, It is 10 ml, it's very small. The 50 ml comes for around 2000, so I thought of buying this kit. So even if you all want, you all can go for this kit instead of buying the huge one, because you all can first try it out how it is, whether it suits your skin or no, because it's really costly. Chia seeds give you radiant, healthy skin, and it also keeps signs of aging at side. It calms inflammation and also protects against acne and help diminish like bacterias and all. So it's a very good ingredient that is there. So the kit is very nice. You all can try it out. I'll be leaving down the link of it in the description box.